currently on our way to turn this car in. Hopefully we get another one. Got my wife back there following me. Crossing my fingers, man. Gotta get some more work. We fucking got another one, boys. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Got a Chrysler this time. Oh, shit. Hold on. The 2015 Chrysler. Yes, sir. For the boys. Just kidding. I can't wait to show y'all what needs to be repaired. Alright, y'all, so this one needs this repaired. You can barely see it. It needs it repaired. And then replace this bottom part of the bumper. It's just plastic. And fix that. I don't know how that happened. Looks worse in person. It's just smashed up. All I have to do is just hit it with the hammer, I think. But yeah, it's not bad at all. Should be easy. Well, yeah, this is the air filter I got. It has the desiccant beads. I've had it before, but I don't know how it messed up. This thing wouldn't open anymore. But it's a badass filter. Alright, we got my wife ordering parts over there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece off. Show you how I fix these minor imperfections. Shouldn't be too much anyway. Should prime it here within an hour and a half. Yes, sir. I don't know how the fuck they did this. Hold on. I don't know how they smashed it in there. Look at that. Oh, this is smashed. I have to pull this maybe to put the bumper on. It's like a support, but it shouldn't be too much. I've already installed a air filter with the desiccant beads. It's a badass filter. Then here's a tiny one. I already drained it. Gotta turn it on and yep. So I shouldn't be having no more problems with that fisheye shit. What? Can you let me work in peace? You got it, ma'am? Can you please explain what's going on here? Come on! Bro, these fucking Chryslers are so hard to work on, bro. Like, I already took this piece off. Like, it's a bitch taking this, all this off. So this is part of the actual bumper. And then there's that piece we have to replace, that plastic part. I'll show you. This one. And it's just fucking hard to take it off. And all that shit. There's so many of them. Like, it's taking too much time. It took us almost an hour to take the fucking bumper off, because apparently to take these off, you gotta pull the ever living shit out of it. Like, you feel like you're gonna break the damn clip off, but you're not. You just gotta pull it extremely hard, which is stupid as fuck. I didn't know that till I watched some videos. I know it's kind of weird. I watch videos on other people working on shit, but yeah, let's see if I can get this shit removed, man, so I can start doing the body work on it. Alright, y'all. I gotta take it off. I try to heat it up. See, maybe we can like save it, but nah, man. These plastic trims are hard to save. Sometimes you can. I've done it before, but nah. And then look at that. Chrome trim is broken. And what else? Oh, the reflector needs a new reflector, so I'm gonna have to order that from Chrysler directly because I can't get it locally from LKQ. But yep, this is the damage we're gonna be taking care of right here. Scratch, scrapes.
Whip up my appetite.